Hello student, welcome to online class of class 5 English grammar. In this video I will teach you chapter 18. The name of the chapter is transformation of sentence. Here we will study how to transfer or how to change a sentence into its different kind. As we know, there are four kind of sentence. That is, first I write here kind of sentence, kinds of sentence. That is, there are four kind of sentence as we have read before in your previous classes. First one is that you can say positive sentence. It can be written as a statement also. Statement. In some book it is affirmative. The second is interrogative. Interrogative sentence. Third is imperative sentence. Fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. So there are four kinds of sentence. They are positive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. In this chapter, we shall study how to change a positive sentence into negative or a negative sentence into positive sentence. So, first of all, we will do the transformation of a positive sentence into negative sentence. That is, now let's see how to transfer positive sentence into negative sentence. That is, transformation of a positive sentence into negative. Here we will see how to transfer positive sentence into negative sentence. There are some rules. Let's see what are the rules to change the positive sentence into negative rules. First rule is we can change a positive sentence to negative by adding. First rule is we can change a positive sentence into negative by adding not after its वर्ड. यानी अगर हमें नेगेटिव बनाना है तो हम नॉट को ऐड कर सकते हैं पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस के बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ड एंड द वर्ब्स आर इट मे बी इज एम आर was and was. maybe anything. So let's see some examples. For example, he is going to school. Here our sentence is in positive form. This sentence is in positive form. If I change the same sentence in negative, it will be he is not going to school. Here this sentence becomes negative. The same sentence, if I add here not, it becomes negative because it gives negative statement. First sentence is in positive form and the second sentence is in negative. This is the first rule to change the positive sentence into negative sentence by adding not to after its word. Now let's see the second rule of the same sentence, how to change positive to negative. Now I will write the second rule. Second rule of changing is we can change the positive sentence into negative by adding not. Again, by adding not, and that will be between. Adding not between the helping verb and the main verb of the sentence. So this is the second rule to change the positive sentence into negative sentence by adding not between the helping verb and the main verb. Let's see the example. For example, she was drawing a picture. She was drawing a picture. This sentence is positive because it gives positive statement. She was drawing a picture. Now I will change the sentence is negative. Here, have is a helping verb and drawing is a main verb. So we have to add not between. Means between here. So it becomes she was not drawing a picture. Here she is drawing picture, and the sentence becomes negative. In this way, the same sentence is changed into negative form. We are not drawing a picture. Now, there is one more rule of changing negative sentence into positive, that is our third rule is, when our sentence is, when the sentence is in simple present or simple past, then by adding do, does or did, do, does or did along with not in front of main word. This is the third rule. If our sentence or when our sentence is in simple present or in simple past, then by adding do, does or did along with not in front of main verb, we can change the positive sentence into negative sentence. Let's see some examples. Example is, that is Raj writes a poem. Here Raj writes a poem in a simple present and this sentence is in positive form. When I change this sentence in negative form, it becomes, Raj is a singular word, so I use does not write a poem. Now this sentence becomes negative. Here our sentence becomes negative. If our subject is singular, we use does not. If our subject is plural, we use do. And when our sentence is in past tense, we use did for singular and plural both. So in this way, I have shown you the transformation of sentence, and that is positive sentence into negative sentence. In the next video, I will show you the transformation of positive sentence into interrogative sentence. I hope you have understood the video. You have understood? Thank you.